Here are the following ingredients to make the Crown Royal Peach Cobbler. Crown Royal Peach, sugar, light brown sugar, self-rising flour, butter, cornstarch, sliced peaches, vanilla extract, and ground cinnamon. Also to include water. Missing in the picture is whole milk. I set the oven temperature to 400, and now I'm going to place half a stick of butter into a 9x13 baking dish and put it in the oven and to let it melt. In a saucepan I'll place 28 ounces of peaches, half cup of sugar, half cup of brown sugar, teaspoons ground cinnamon, and then half a cup of water. Then I'll bring this to a boil. Now that the peaches are boiling, I'll reduce the heat and add 3/4 cups of Crown Royal Peach. Then I'll let it simmer for 10 minutes. On a separate bowl, I'll add 3/4 cups of cold water. Then a heaping tablespoon of cornstarch. And I'll mix it. I will add this into the peaches and bring it back to a boil so it thickens up the peaches and the sauce. Now I'll add the cornstarch into the peach mixture. Then bring it back to a boil. In another bowl, I'll add 1 1/2 cups of self-rising flour, half cup of light brown sugar, one cup of sugar, two tablespoons of vanilla extract, and now I'll add enough milk to make the batter thin. This should be good, it's nice and thin. Now I'll pour the peach mixture into the 9x13 baking dish. Now I'll pour the batter. I added 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and mix it together. And then now I'm going to spread it over the peach mixture. And spreading it throughout the peach mixture. Now I'm going to place the dish in the oven. And then let it bake for 30 minutes. 30 minutes has passed. It's nice and golden brown. I'll take it out. And let it cool off. Freshly baked Crown Royal Peach Cobbler. Okay, now it's been cooling off about 15 minutes. So I'm going to get a piece. As you can see, my bowl has some classic vanilla ice cream to eat with. The cobbler. Piece. An excellent dessert. Warm peach cobbler with vanilla ice cream. It's very tasty. Hi Barrett, you can't have any. Sorry. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give a thumbs up. And if you're new, welcome. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so be notified when I have new videos out. And thank you for watching. And as I always say, when possible, go outside and explore. I'm sorry, Barrett, you can't have no peach cobbler and vanilla ice cream. Okay? I'll give you a dog snack later. Say bye to everybody.